mile-per-hour wind, gusts, and quarter-sized hail. The most severe winds appear to be, at least by Doppler radar and by spotters available to us, in Wise County, headed toward Denton County. These storms require action, and you should seek shelter immediately in western Denton County especially. There has been a notch, a suspected rotation, a wall cloud somewhere near the western Wise County border and also down towards Springtown. We understand sirens have been sounded in Springtown, and the leading edge of the storms are now at Azle on the Tarrant-Parker County line. Let me repeat the counties that are under new severe thunderstorm warnings until 9:45. Wise County, Denton County, Parker County, Tarrant County, Collin County, Cook County along the Red River, Dallas, and Grayson counties until 9:45. These storms are moving in from the west at 50 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.